Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. So what a day today. Google services were down earlier this morning, and then Office 365, some of the services were degraded. Fun day, fun day. All right, so today I want to talk about Microsoft Edge. So it's a very nimble browser. It's pretty fast. It's Chromium based, but the question comes in. Hey Nadeem, I need to install so and so extension. How do I install this extension in Edge? I can't find where to install an extension in Edge. So, folks, here's the trick. Most extensions, or almost all extensions that can be installed in Chrome, in Google's Chrome, work in Edge as well. So if you go to the Chrome Web Store, basically search for the extension that you want, and you'll be able to add any Chrome extension into Microsoft Edge. So let me share my screen and show you what I mean. So, well, let me see. Yeah. So here I have, I went to, let's go to chrome.google.com/web store. And now in my Edge, I already have the Passly extension up here. And the way to do that is simply search for the extension you want. And you can see I've added the Passly extension already. But you can install any extension here. If I can find one. Let's just go here. So for example, if I wanted to install the Zoom extension, I would just click it and click Add to Chrome. So since I am in the Edge browser, when I click Add to Chrome, it will actually add that extension into Microsoft Edge. So there you have it, and that's how I have this Passly extension. So if you want to install an extension in Microsoft Edge, simply go to the Chrome Web Store and add the extensions that you need or that you want. Real simple. There's no dedicated extensions for Edge since it is Chromium based. Same extensions work fine. A little trick if you didn't know. And hopefully Google and Microsoft get their ducks in a row, and hopefully they'll stabilize things a little bit. But yeah, it's been a fun day today. Just all kinds of things happening. But until Wednesday, everybody have a great day, and be safe out there.